Hi guys, welcome to me John Kompleks Bukit Jambul channel. Today we're going to unbox this Redmi Note 10 5G. This is the latest model from the Redmi Xiaomi family. They bring into Malaysia market, and this is the 5G version. So you can look around the packaging. Okay, so let's start to unbox this phone. So first we'll get this empty, it's not an empty box, actually inside is come with a silicone casing, a pin. Let's look around what is inside the box. This is the silicone casing, so it's very good, so you no need worry to find a new case for your new phone. And this is the Redmi Note 10 5G. You can see here MediaTek Dimensity 700 7nm processor with the dual 5G. Means that this phone supports the dual SIM and the 90Hz of refreshing rate with the 6.5-inch of dot display, 360 ambient light sensor, 48 megapixel camera, and the 5000 battery with the 18-watt fast charging charger. Okay, we take out this phone. So we put around here we can see the charger. This is the fast charging charger for support the 16-watt, and this is the cable. This is the charger. So this is the charger, support the fast charging 18-watt, maximum 20, but this one support 18-watt only. Okay, so we clear all these things. Here you are, the Redmi Note 10 5G. So open this. This is the blue color. They call it night time blue. It's a 8GB RAM version with a 128GB of storage. It's a 5G version. So this is the phone. You can see here we come with a camera, 3 camera. I think this is a flashlight, AI vision, 48 megapixel. Let's switch on the phone. Yeah, you can see the phone will show a 5G here. MIUI, of course we already done the setup, and here is the MIUI. Of course we already pre-installed the games, now very popular. Of course this phone also support the game turbo, and everything here is the pre-built system apps, the Play Store. Don't worry, this one come with the Play Store. So we go into the about phone. You will see the MIUI 12, Redmi Note 10 5G, 128GB, and the version, the Android version is 11 Android version. We see the all specs: 8GB of RAM, Dimensity octa-core, max 2.2, and all the details over here. So this is a Redmi Note 10 5G, and it costs only 799 ringgit in Malaysian market now. The price is very interesting, very attractive. Of course, it's a lower budget phone for the 5G phone. Okay. The price is 799 ringgit in Malaysian market, and come with the 8GB RAM and 128GB of the storage. And the games, of course we will try it later, so don't stop the video first, so continue to watching. Okay. Hi guys, thanks for continue watching, and now we are going to test the game performance of this phone, Redmi Note 10. Hi guys, thanks for continue watching, and now we are going to test the game performance of this phone, Redmi Note 10 5G. We go into the game mode, and first I'm going to try this Mobile Legend from Moon 2. Let's go. Let's see the setting. So this one we all preset high. Of course the graphic you can set to ultra high as well. Okay. Classic. mAh. And now we are going to start this game, Mobile Legends. We choose this lah, Zilong lah. Our teammates is here, so let's start the game. Full screen, very nice. The bezel is very slim, and the camera is over here, the front camera, but it's not block our gaming experience. It's very good and also support the game mode. So you can see here the graphic, everything is high, ultra. So don't worry, 799 phone also very good performance is gaming. So it is very good for those who don't have the high budget but want to find a gaming phone. And this is a good choice. So, okay, now let's restart the second game, the Pubg Mobile. This is a very popular game now, a shooting game. Wow, King Kong versus Godzilla team. So of course you want to see a game, is it good for gaming or not? We can install the PUBG and we try to check out the graphic setting here. Graphic setting, this one maximum support for smooth ultra. Of course if you put HD maximum, the frame rate you can set to high. If you put smooth, then you can set the ultra. Okay, so here is our setting for PUBG. So let's restart as we already go into the game. This one is the back of the phone, Redmi Note 10 5G, and the graphic is set to smooth ultra, HDR or HD high or smooth ultra. I prefer the higher frame rate, so I set smooth ultra. The game is very smooth, no lag at all, very nice. From here we can see the plane detail. Yeah, the plane detail is very good.
I got supplies.
So even we switch around, also no lag at all, very nice. 8 GB of RAM and MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset. Support 5G and gaming experience also quite good. Oh, let's jump. Of course, we are not going to end to finish this game because if we finish this game, I think it will take some time. So, our video, our testing game video, I think is around here is the end. Okay, guys. So, thanks for watching until the end of the video. Of course, today our unboxing model is a Redmi Note 10 5G. So, to appreciate your watching until the end of this video, and of course don't forget to like, share and comment this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.